Subscribe to Get Curried and press the bell icon to get regular recipe updates. Hey guys, I'm Neha Naik and welcome to Get Curried. So my mom makes these amazing pinwheel sandwiches with their veg, and sometimes for change, I like to add chicken to it. So today we are gonna make chicken pinwheel sandwiches. Let's get started. We'll start with heating up a frying pan on medium heat. We'll be adding 2 tablespoons of oil to it. Once the oil has heated up, we'll be adding in 100 grams of minced chicken to it. Now we'll be adding in salt and some black pepper. Once the chicken is cooked, turn the gas off and let it cool down. So while the chicken is cooling down, we'll start with making our green paste. For it, I'll be taking a handful of coriander, 2 green chillies, 3 garlic cloves, an inch of ginger and 2 tablespoons of curd. Finally, some salt to taste. Now let's grind it. If you feel that the consistency of the paste is thicker, keep adding curd to it. But take care that you add a tablespoon at a time. Our paste is ready. The next thing that we have to do is add in our chicken to the paste and pulse it. What we need is a coarse paste, and that is ready. Now we'll move on to assembling the pinwheel sandwiches. For the pinwheel sandwiches, first we'll be cutting some bread slices. Slice off the edges carefully. Once the edges have been sliced off, we'll be flattening out each bread slice. With the help of a rolling pin, just slightly flatten out the bread slice. Now let's start assembling the sandwiches. For that, first I'll be taking one rolled out slice and I'll be applying a little water across one edge of it. Then I'll be taking another slice and placing one edge of it on top of the bottom slice and press both the edges together. Now we'll be putting our chicken mixture on one edge of the bread slice. Carefully spread the mixture. Now we'll be taking a cheese slice and placing it on the bread slice. Just slightly press the slice into the bread. Now we'll start rolling from one end. Again on this edge, we need to apply water. Now we'll be taking a cling film or a plastic wrap and place the sandwich onto it. This will help the roll to bind together really nice. We'll continue with the other rolls. Our pinwheel sandwiches are ready. I'll be refrigerating them for around 2 hours so that they'll be easier to cut later on. Our 2 hours are up. Let's cut the pinwheel sandwiches. Carefully unwrap from the cling film. We'll cut the rolls with the help of a serrated knife. You can have these wrapped rolls on the go, or you can cut them up and serve them as pinwheel sandwiches at your next family get-together. Do try this recipe and let us know in the comment section below. And for such easy recipes, stay tuned to Get Curried.